Thokozani, Emakusini, Thokozani, everyone that is watching this video. So I know it's been a while, but I've been posting shorts, guys. Go watch the shorts. I hope they are so informative that you learn. Ne? So today I'm back with a yellow candle. Cause I know y'all like like explain sisi, you know. And I'm here for that. I'm here to teach you guys. You can use it for different reasons, you know, for for phamisa sithunywa, for kumeta tithunywa takho, for kuconnecta nesithunywa sakho, and then for, everyone knows, for your maternal side, your mother's side, right? So you can use this yellow candle to connect. How do I do this, Coco? You can use this to pray. If when you know what, I'm not so good with pasharing, I don't understand kupahla and all that. You can use it to pray. You can also connect while praying. You don't have to pasha. You understand that? So ungathandaza ukhona ukuthi uconnecte nani netithunywa takho, nani ni your mother side of the family, right? So now that ukuthi unesithunywa khandlela leli yellow, very very important to use, very very essential ukuthi libe khona whenever you are praying. You understand? So those of you that you are shown garments, maybe a yellow Nazareta or Sambato or Jazzy, this is your best friend. This is your best friend because yellow donsa lengelos yako leli nigele sambato leso, so that utokhona kwati ukuthi which stalo is this one, which sithunywa is this one. So when you light ikhandlela leli yellow, ukhona ukuthi umdonse, akhona ukuthi ede atokhuluma nawo, ukhona ukuthi i-communication yakho naye ikhona ukuthi icace, iphakame, ivakale. So normalize using ikhandlela leli yellow, and then no more problems with your mother's side of the family. Naleli khandlela lokubadonsa, for them to come forward, and so that when utokhona ukuthi ucommunicate nabo. What I would prefer, because yeah, so my problems, guys, or what I would prefer is that ungababithi ngesibongo, ithi wena bakhabo mike, tokusita kakhulu likhandlela leli. So I would highly recommend for you guys ukuthi lilisebenzise, libe your best of friends. You understand? So now thandaza thunyete semandini, very very important. You understand? Sebenzise litokhona ukuthi licacisele tinto takho. So those of you that have been wondering ukuthi khandlela leli yellow gogo kahle kahle lisebenziselwani, ne nako ke connecta nakhabo maye, connecta netithunywa takho, connecta netingelos takho. Use it when you pray for i-communication emadla takho ukuthi ikhona ukuthi icace, kubadonsa, kubavusa, kubaphakamisa, umthandazo yakho ikhona ukuthi ivakale, ikhona ukuthi isonzele duze nawe lengelosi, ikhona ukuthi ikuve. Thokozani emakhosini, guys. I love you so much. Bye.